In science, we need accuracy and clarity because there could be similar functions where the children might feel confused. So, you need to be specifically guiding them as to where and how they need to make diagrams so that they can help us get better marks with their long answers specifically. While you revise with them, ensure that you give them lot of questions to label diagrams or to explain what is shown in the pictures. This is a key aspect of science. Also, remember that derivations have to be exactly given because you cannot change the definitions and derivations the way the scientists have derived. Similar way they have to be explained and derived because we do not know who is the teacher who is going to check our papers. So, if there is a method given in the NCERT or there is a common method through which some formulas are derived, ask the children to stick to it. Let them not use too many shortcuts here because remember they will get their marks for steps and point wise evaluation happens. Now their logical reasoning questions could be there, application based questions could be there. You have done a definition, it could be an example where you need to apply that conceptual knowledge. So that experimental concepts have to be understood very, very clearly, and the children should be able to apply that conceptual knowledge. And there are some open ended questions also in science where absolute right and absolute wrong may not be there. There, the examiner is more worried as to if the student can actually apply the knowledge and derive conclusions. So, the explanation to such questions must be done very, very carefully.